Hello, everyone. I'm Beth Sharp, Worldwide SAP GSI Partner Solution Architect Leader at AWS. We are excited to introduce a new video series that will share how you, SAP users and developers, can use Amazon's AI services, including generative AI and AI agents, to improve and scale your productivity and business. If you have further questions regarding any of the use cases or services that we are sharing in this series and would like to connect with our team, please feel free to reach out to your AWS account team or directly to the presenters. They'll share their email addresses at the end of each demo. In the next couple of videos, we'll focus specifically on Amazon Q Developer. For your context, Amazon Q Developer is a generative AI-powered assistant for software development. Whether you are working with classic ABAP, modern RAP, or CAP frameworks, Amazon Q Developer helps SAP customers generate, document, test, and review code while supporting SAP's Clean Core strategy. You can easily sign up for Amazon Q using the link provided in the video description. The subscription plan option includes free, light, and pro versions based upon where you want to integrate Amazon Q in your business. With that, let's jump into our first demo.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching our use case and the demo video. My name is Gyan Mishra. I am the SAP Solution Architect here at AWS. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on setting up Amazon Q Developer for SAP ABAP development in Eclipse. I'm excited to show you how to enhance your ABAP development experience with AI coding assistance. If you have any question or need any help, please feel free to reach out to us. Before we dive in, let's ensure you have everything ready. You will need a computer running Windows or Mac OS with an internet connection, an AWS Builder ID account. We will use this for Amazon Q Developer. If you are using your own SAP system, remember to activate the ADT service via transaction SICF. And of course, some basic ABAP programming knowledge will be helpful. So let's start with installing Eclipse first. And for that, let's visit eclipse.org and download the Eclipse IDE. Make sure you have at least 2 GB of free space. The Enterprise Edition is quite large at over 500 MB. Let's download the Eclipse for your operating system. Click again on download. Download has started now. Once you start the installation, you will see these options. Select the first one. When prompted, I will accept default setting and the license agreement. Installation of Eclipse is over. Now let's launch. First time setup, accept the default workspace location and check use this as the default to save time later. Now let's add ABAP development tools. So open Eclipse, go to help, and then install new software. In the work with field, paste this URL. Select ABAP development tool and proceed. I'm going to accept the terms, trust the certificate, and restart Eclipse when prompted. After restart, open the ABAP perspective through Windows, Perspective, Open Perspective, Other, select ABAP here, create an ABAP project. You would see the list of connection. Select one of them. Make sure port 3300 is accessible. Specify all the details. Now we are connected to SAP system. Finally, let's install Amazon Q Developer. For that, go to Help, Eclipse Marketplace, and search for Amazon Q Developer. Click on the install. I'm going to accept all the security prompts. Restart the Eclipse. After restart, click the Amazon Q icon in the top right. Select Use for free unless you have a pro account. You will need to authenticate with your AWS Builder ID. Follow the browser prompts to sign in and verify your email. Once authenticated, close the browser and return to Eclipse. Verify that Amazon Q Developer is active in your IDE. Yeah, and there you have it. Your Eclipse environment is now set up with Amazon Q Developer for ABAP development. Click Quick Start to begin using AI-assisted coding. Thanks for watching and happy coding.